Hey everyone, here's just a quick tutorial, webcast, screencast, whatever you want to call it, for how to access several of the resources that are going to be recommended based on logging in with Clever. Now, you may have received a Clever QR code, or you may already have one at home. If you do, feel free to sign in with the QR code, as it will obviously work. But if you don't have the QR code at home, I'm not sure how many students are aware of this, but you could sign in with just your Google credentials. And to do that, I'll show you a few easy steps. So first, go to clever.com. And in the upper right corner up here, you want to click in Log in as a student. Now, this box will pop up. It may already recognize your device. If your student was BYOD, it may already recognize that they were part of DTSD school district. If not, in this box where it says type in your school name, search for Hershey Intermediate. And click on our school, Hershey Intermediate. And then what you want to click on is right here where it says use network, Canvas, username, and password. So if you click on that, students can log in here with their Google credentials just as they have done. So I'm going to sign in as Dominic Argento. First three letters of their first name, entire last name, and you don't need the @Google or @Hershey K12 PA, any of that. It's just simply the username. And then the password would be the same as it is for Google, which is initials, and then the student's 6-digit code. Click on Login, and you'll see then you have access to all of the resources that are already pushed out to students, so they can log into McGraw-Hill. This is ConnectEd, so they can play the everyday math games. MobyMax, Reflex, Khan Academy is listed on here, but that may only be for students in room 41. I'm not sure, maybe it's pushed out to everybody. Code.org is a great resource, as well as BrainPop, and then Smart Futures down here for Mrs. Zucker. Pretty simple, easy. If you have any questions, you can either email me and I will gladly help you out.